Thank you very much. My dear friends, he has been very energetic as always, very emphatic and of course very engaging. इससे ज़्यादा engaging session हो नहीं सकता है बिना किसी notes के, बिना किसी सहारे के. एकदम अविरत हमारी गुजराती भाषा में बोलते अस्खलित वाणीना धनी છે કે જેવી રીતે 1 કલાક સુધી તમને relevant content ઉપર જરાક પણ વાત આગે પાછી કર્યા વગર deliver કરી શકે તેવા એક વિદ્વાન એડવોકેટ બિમલ જૈન સાહેબને સાંભળીને ખરેખર આપણને ખૂબ આનંદ થયો છે. હવે આપણે પાછા હિન્દીમાં આવી જઈએ. યસ, बिमल जी ने हमें वास्तव में जीएसटी एपेलेट ट्रिब्यूनल आएगी तब किन रूल्स को फॉलो करना होगा, किस तरह से प्रोसीजरल एस्पेक्ट्स को टैकल करना होगा और यदि कुछ सब्सटेंशियल इश्यूज हो तो आप एपेलेट ट्रिब्यूनल का प्रावधान होते हुए भी रिट जुडिशन को कैसे इन्वोक कर सकते हो, उसके बारे में जो बातें बताई वो निश्चित तौर से हमारे ऑडियंस को काफ़ी मददरूप रहेगी. एज यूजुअल वी विल क्विकली स्लिप इनटू द नेक्स्ट सेशन बिफोर लंच एंड that will be a very interesting session, not only covering the GST aspect but also the entire life journey of ours, which will be taken by advocate chartered accountant Aanchal Podarji and Dr. Meenal Jaiswal. I'll request Gargi ji and Vijita ji to please escort the two eminent speakers onto the dais. Yes, deeply involved you are into profession, you must always ensure that you spend some time in understanding various aspects of improving our life in general. And believe me, जो मित्र लोग कंफर्ट ब्रेक के लिए बाहर गए हैं वो ठीक है, बट अदरवाइज प्लीज सेटल डाउन. एंड आई कैन टेक अ रिस्क ऑफ सेइंग दैट all other sessions are important, but please see to it that you are fully attentive in this session. Believe me, इसमें से यदि एक भी बात आप यदि घर ले जा सकेंगे गांठ बांध कर, तो आपकी जीएसटी की प्रैक्टिस नहीं बदलेगी परंतु आपका जीवन बदल सकता है. बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली वी आर हियर, वी वर्क अराउंड, पूरे दिन भर सुबह से शाम मेहनत करते हैं अल्टीमेटली हमारे स्वास्थ्य और खुशियों के लिए. और यदि कोई सेशन स्वास्थ्य और खुशियों पर टिका हुआ है तो उसे हमें निश्चित तौर पर ध्यान देकर सुनना चाहिए. मेरा निवेदन है कि जो भी मित्र थोड़े कंफर्टेबल होने के लिए इधर उधर हुए हैं वो वापस अपनी जगह पर आ जाएं ताकि यह इम्पॉर्टेंट सेशन हम शुरू कर सकें. सो हाउ डू वी गो अबाउट, हु विल टेल मी? So the speakers have been very quick. I'll request the team to reciprocate properly. Yes, I'll request Gargi Madam, Gargi Lakhani, to honor Aanchal Podarji, our very own specialist in life without medicine, and I'll request Vijeta ji to do the honors for Dr. Meenal Jaiswal. Dr. Meenal Jaiswal hails from Mumbai. She is holistic health scientist and योगाचार्य. योगा और होलिस्टिक साइंस हेल्थ पर तो काफ़ी स्पीकर्स मिल भी जाते हैं, लेकिन एक इशू जो काफ़ी लोगों को सताता है आजकल वो है इम्यूनिटी का. सो शी हैज़ डन लॉट ऑफ वर्क इन ensuring better natural immunity, how we can improve our immunity in a natural way. She works as a strategist to improve your natural immunity also, and Aanchal ji has been spending a lot of her time in ensuring health without medicine. So these two causes they are working on, and yes, please quickly I'll request Vijita ji to please do the honors for Dr. Meenal Jaiswal for coming all the way from Mumbai to tell us more about how to improve our immunity and a few more ideas about holistic health as a science. So this is a small photo frame that you will cherish with us, being with us. Yes. So very quickly now I'll hand over the proceedings to Chartered Accountant Advocate Srimati Aanchal Podarji.
Respected members of the dais, honorable seniors, esteemed stalwarts and dear participants. At the outset, I express my sincere gratitude to the organizers of Gyan Utsav for this progressive and thoughtful platform and to respected seniors and eminent speakers for recognizing that professional excellence is sustained not only by knowledge, but also by health. So in a seminar of this stature, primarily focused on the professional and legal excellence, it is encouraging that space has been created for a health conversation, acknowledging the realities of stress, long working hours, and lifestyle challenges faced by professionals today. Originally, this session was intended as a personal sharing by me on my journey towards a medicine-free life after my cancer. However, considering the recent event of Avinash facing a heart attack, Ashok Batra sir not attending this seminar due to his heart health, and I losing my father at age of 52, I felt that rather than better have a topic on heart health. So it's my privilege that Dr. Meenal Jaiswal has joined today, who has guided many doctors, professionals in reversing their diabetes, health diseases, and cancer naturally without the medicines, by the 5 elements of nature: ether, air, sun, earth, and water. She herself is living a medicine-free life for more than 10.5 years. And today she'll be addressing the heart health through a short act, followed by a structured session, helping us to understand how daily habits, stress pattern, food choices impact the heart. This session is therefore not a deviation from the seminar's objective, but a supporting pillar aimed at ensuring that those who shoulder professional responsibility are also equipped to sustain their health, clarity, and longevity. With gratitude to the organizers, respected seniors, and all participants, I hereby request Meenal Jaiswal and the participants of the act to take the floor, please.
Thank you, Anchal. Her name is Anchal. So, thank you everyone for such a huge honor. It's really a very huge honor and a privilege to be here, to be part of Gyanotsav. Last year, I was sitting there where Janya is sitting, and I was taking the video. Today, she is helping me with that. So thank you, Janya. Without you, I cannot do anything. So welcome you all to another session of Gyanotsav, which is related to our life, our health, especially our heart health. And here is a small presentation about our heart. The name of the play is Dil Mange More, More Attention. So this story is totally fictional, but the symptoms are 100% real. And if at any point you feel, ye to meri hi life hai, let me assure you, we have not installed any CCTV in your life, so please don't panic. Just laugh first and diagnose later. And there is a disclaimer, of course, I'm in the esteemed space of lawyers. Any resemblance to a real person or event, it's purely coincidental. Our aim is simple, to make you laugh and inspire you to make one small change. Welcome to our play, Dil Mange More, More Attention. Let me introduce you to the setup. This is a professional office where there are two professionals. We will meet CA Rajesh and Advocate Vikram. Both are busy and successful people, just like you all, where working hours are not applicable and deadlines are a lifestyle. Rajesh ji shares love for his car and technology, and Advocate Vikram is a foodie. और यहाँ पे 2 छुपे हुए कैरेक्टर्स और भी हैं, एक है दिल की आवाज़ और एक है दिल की धड़कन. So let me present before you the play Dil Mange More, More Attention.